Hi everyone. Here are some things you can try to fix this "Sorry, you have been blocked" error message on Discord. Restart Discord. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the problem. Go to Task Manager and click on End Task. Check last update on Windows and install. If you use Discord in Google Chrome, disable AdBlock. Also clear browser data in Google Chrome. The last solution: reinstall Discord. If you have tried all of the above and you are still getting the error message, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Discord.